Hi guys, in this video we will talk about how to configure earning component master, namely basic, DA, HRA, other allowance, washing allowance, etc. in the system. To configure earning component master, click on HR admin module, then click on HR configuration option. After that, click on CTC component option. As soon as you click on CTC component option, a page will appear on your screen where you can define multiple earning components in the system. So let's talk about salary configuration information section. In serial number field, you will enter the series in which this earning component should print on salary slip. If I want to print the earning component in this series, then the serial number for basic should be 1, for DA it should be 2, for HRA it should be 3, for washing allowance it should be 4. In name field, I will enter the earning component name. Example, basic, dearness allowance, house rent allowance, washing allowance, etc. In short name field, you will enter the short name for an entered earning component. Based on this short name, the calculation is done during payroll. Every component should have unique short name. For few components, there are hard-coded short name. If I try to replace those hard-coded short name by any other short name, then the system will not give an expected result. As you can see on the screen, for basic, the short name is basic. For dearness allowance, the short name is DA. For house rent allowance, the short name is HRA. For every earning component, you can set an upper limit. Example, suppose I have configured an earning component named as basic, and I have set an upper limit by 80%. So it means when you create a CTC template, the rate amount for that particular earning component should not cross that upper limit. If you try to exceed the amount, then system will give you an alert by highlighting that particular component in red color. Suppose you are creating a CTC template of rupees 12,000. So 80% of 12,000 is 9,600. It means if the entered rate amount for basic component is 9,600 or less than that, then system will not give any alert. But if the entered amount is greater than 9,600, then system will show alert. You can still enter more amount. System will not throw any error. It will just give an alert. So to set the upper limit amount, you can either enter the percentage or amount. If you don't want to print the entered earning component on salary slip, then you will check exclude in payslip checkbox. But if you want to print, it should be unchecked. By default, it will be unchecked. After entering all the details, click on Save button present on the top of the screen. Once you click on Save button, the earning component will be created in the system. Similarly, you can create multiple earning components on the same page. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any query, please contact support team of EVA Software Solution.